we seeing full-scale institutional alignment now?
Yeah. I think we're seeing the impact of regulation making large institutions more comfortable to do these tokenization activities and stablecoin activities. I mean, this is what we've been talking about for years happening, and this being the last big hurdle to institutional adoption, which is the legal clarity for them to be able to safely participate in the on-chain economy, create stable coins, create various forms of tokenized assets, tokenized equities, commodities, funds, depending on the institution. I think the institutions want to participate in the on-chain economy. I think they have a larger and larger growing user base that wants various on-chain capabilities, whether those are cash capabilities with stable coins, tokenized equities, tokenized commodities, tokenized funds.
Right.
I think they want access to all of this, and they're going to want it much more. And so the banks are going to service their customers. They're going to do what they have done for decades, and in some cases hundreds of years, is provide their client what their client wants, which I'm pretty convinced is going to be an on-chain tokenized equity, commodity, fund, cash, but on chain, and that's what you're going to see, and the legal clarity that comes from clear and better regulation is gonna massively accelerate that. From my point of view, that was really the final hurdle into mainstream adoption, because I don't think the banks are going away. I don't think they're going to be completely replaced by a fintech or some amorphous kind of completely decentralized thing. I think they have a role to play in terms of having a client relationship, in terms of being regulated, in terms of having all kinds of key roles in institutional transactions. And now what's going to happen is they'll be able to do all of that in the on-chain economy, which is where they'll interact with smart contracts, they'll interact with Oracle networks, and the data, identity, and connectivity that Chainlink provides. This is where things are heading.